Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what's being hailed as the best Apple Macbook Air M2 alternative in its class. The Apple 2024 MacBook Air with the M3 chip, 13-inch, 16GB RAM, and 512GB SSD. And yes, you heard that right, this is the renewed version, meaning you get top-tier performance at a fraction of the cost. Let's kick things off with the design. As expected from Apple, it's sleek, minimal, and ultra-portable. This MacBook Air weighs in at just 5.2 pounds and is only 0.44 inches thin. That's thinner than most paperbacks, making it the perfect travel companion whether you're a student, creative, or working professional. Now let's talk power. This machine is powered by Apple's blazing fast M3 chip, built to make multitasking and intensive apps feel like a breeze. We're talking about an 8-core CPU combined with up to a 10-core GPU, meaning this isn't just for checking emails or editing documents. It's for full-blown video editing, coding, running complex simulations. Whatever you throw at it, it's ready. This specific configuration comes with 16 GB of unified memory, so switching between apps is snappy and smooth. And with 512 GB of SSD storage, you've got more than enough space to store your files, projects, photos, and video content without ever feeling cramped. It also means lightning-fast boot times and nearly instant app launches. The 13.6-inch liquid Retina display is an absolute stunner. With support for 1 billion colors and a peak resolution of 2560 by 1664, everything looks vibrant, crisp, and color accurate. Whether you're binge-watching content or doing detailed photo and video work, this display delivers. You're looking at up to 18 hours of performance on a single charge. That's an entire day, and then some, without reaching for the charger. It's ideal for commuters, remote workers, or students pulling long study sessions. Let's talk about what's in the box. Along with the MacBook Air, you're getting a USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable and a 35W dual USB-C port compact power adapter, giving you fast, efficient charging out of the gate. That dual-port adapter is especially great if you want to charge your iPhone or AirPods alongside your MacBook. Now, this is part of Amazon's Renewed program, which means while it's not brand new, it's been thoroughly inspected, cleaned, and tested by Amazon-qualified suppliers. The machine is fully functional, and all the accessories included are compatible. It may not come in the original Apple box, but it will arrive in clean, professional packaging, ready to go. As a 2024 model, it comes pre-installed with macOS Sonoma, so you'll be on the latest Apple software ecosystem from the moment you power it on. If you're someone who values speed, premium build quality, excellent battery life, and a jaw-dropping display, this device ticks all the boxes. And since it's renewed, you get all of that at a much more accessible price point. That wraps up our review of the Apple 2024 MacBook Air M3, 13-inch with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. The best M2 alternative out there right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next in-depth product breakdown. This is Product Critique, where we dig deep so you can buy smart. Thanks for watching.